Hi, looking to import variable products like t-shirts with different colors and sizes into WooCommerce? In this video, we'll show you how to do it using WebToffee's Product Import-Export plugin. Let's say we're importing a variable product, men's cotton t-shirt. It has two attributes, color and size. The available colors are red and blue, and the available sizes are S and M. Together, these create four variations: red M, red S, and blue S, each with a unique SKU. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to WebToffee Import Export Pro, then click Import. Choose Product as the post type. Select your import method. Next, upload your CSV file. Once the CSV file is uploaded, map the CSV columns with the correct WooCommerce fields. You can also configure advanced options like batch import and scheduling. Once everything is ready, click Import. That's it. Your variable products and their variations are now imported into your WooCommerce Store. Click on View Products to see them. You can view the imported products under Products in the WordPress admin panel. Thanks for watching.